Take a close look at this footage. Just a year ago, this humanoid robot was literally stumbling over its own feet, struggling with basic gravity. Now, it can deliver full force roundhouse to its torso, and it simply refuses to go down. In early 2025, they were programmed for rigid, clunky, synchronized dancing on China's Spring Festival Gala. In just 12 months, and these machines are executing high-speed martial arts and perfect backflips. So, how exactly did the hardware improve this so quickly? In this video, we are breaking down the key engineering updates behind that jump in performance. I'll walk you through 3 important technical advances that took these robots from basic workers to much more capable machines. Let's get into it. It's no longer just a working machine. It's finally grown hands and learned to move like an athlete. Let's start with the 2025 flagship, the Unitree H1. At around 47 kg, it had enough power for group dances. But look at the arms. No real fingers, just a simple rounded, shocking-absorbing hands. Great for waving, but pretty much useless for grasping or handing over objects. Now, compare that to 2026 models, like the H2 and the G1. They come with force feedback dexterous hands. When spinning something like weighted trucks, the centrifugal force shifts constantly millisecond by millisecond. Without fast tactile sensing, the robot would either fling the object across the room or grip too hard and destroy the handle. These new hands can actually feel and adjust to those changing force in real time. But even great hands aren't enough without a more flexible body. The older models had a rigid torso, almost like wearing a stiff metal frame. Power came mostly from the shoulders and the legs. The new approach adds more degrees of freedom in the waist and uses a much more advanced whole body control system. Think about human martial artists throwing a fast strike or kick. They don't just move their arms or legs. They rotate their hip and core to generate and control the force. By lightening the robot, some models down to around 35 kg, and adding more freedom in the waist and the torso, it can now counter-rotate naturally to manage its own momentum, much like a person does. Here's a deep unlock behind that improvement. How Unitree solved the center of balance problem. When the robot does a flying kick, spins nunchucks at high speeds, or flips 3 meters in the air, its center of gravity shifts wildly, sometimes flying completely outside its feet. One wrong move and it falls. The 2025 model simply could not handle that kind of fast, chaotic physics in real time. This leap wasn't luck. It was a precise alignment of structural physics and predictive intelligence. On the hardware side, the G1 has more flexible joints, especially around the waist and hips, letting it tilt its upper body to actively move its center of weight where it needs to be, exactly like a martial artist leaning or rotating to stay stable during a powerful strike. But the real magic is in the software. The G1 uses powerful reinforcement learning. In simulation, it practiced thousands of times learning to predict how its body weight will shift during fast moves. Combined with high-speed sensors, it automatically adjusts every joint before any wobble starts. It doesn't just react after losing balance. It stays steady the whole time through trained instinct. That's why in the 2026 Spring Festival Gala, the G1 robot could pull off perfect flips, rapid kicks, and group martial arts without almost zero stumbles. The old stiff mannequins have truly become smooth athletic performance. But if the eyes can't keep up with the speed, all that agility is useless. The machine finally has the anatomy of an athlete. But how does it see the world at high speeds? This brings us to the second secret. The truth is, a lot of those older synchronized dancing robots were basically doing a blindfolded routine. The 2025 Unitree H1 model depended on basic 3D LiDAR SLAM technology. That standard tech is perfectly fine for slow, careful walking. But in a highly dynamic performance involving unpredictable formations, or 3-meter aerial backflip, slow mapping is a recipe for disaster. At 3 meters per second, traditional localization methods suffer from severe sensor drift. Historically, robots operated on a rigid pipeline. See the environment, build a map, think about the next move, and finally act. It's exactly like playing a slow, turn-based video game. In a public interview, Unitree engineers revealed a crucial detail. The real breakthrough for the 2026 models is advanced AI fusion algorithms. They combine the 3D LiDAR with the robot's own proprioception. Basically, its internal sense of balance. By processing the environment hundreds of times a second, it entirely breaks the old see, think, act bottleneck. Now, even after violent backflip, it completely prevents localization drift, knowing exactly where it landed down to the centimeter. Instead of building a map millimeter by millimeter, the AI directly translates the raw visual data into immediately mortal commands. Imagine a superior Mario speedrunner who relies on pure muscle memory. The absolute second the robot's laser sensors detect the ground, its body has already fired the exact micro-adjustments needed to stick the landing. Now that the robot can see, it needs to learn how to move in the crowd without crashing. That's where fully autonomous high dynamic cluster control comes in. Now, take that single high-speed runner and multiply it by dozens. Imagine over 20 humanoid robots sprinting at up to 4 meters per second, weaving through each other, changing formations on the fly, sparring with real kids, and recovering instantly if one gets bumped, all without a single collision. The secret behind this is the Unitree's fully autonomous high dynamic cluster control. The Unitree company and multiple media outlets describe this as the world's first demonstration of dozens of humanoid robots performing complex, high-speed group martial arts in real time. The hardest problem in multi-robot system isn't making one robot move smoothly. It's preventing dozens from crashing into each other during fast intersecting movements. In traditional approaches, engineers often relied on a centralized system, a powerful central computer acting as a brain, calculating every path and sending constant commands to all units. At high speeds, the round-trip latency to that central hub becomes a real bottleneck. Unitree CEO revealed their solution is a new high-concurrency cluster control system that combines central high-level planning with strong onboard autonomy. A central console sends high-level target trajectories and action sequences, while each robot uses its own 3D LiDAR and sensors to perceive the environment in real time, plan its local path, avoid collisions, and then recover automatically if it slips or gets pushed. Deviates slightly, the others adjust their path smoothly and instantly without waiting for new commands from the center. The result looks almost like a flock of birds in the sky, complex, coordinated movements that feels natural. Even though it comes from a mix of group coordination and individual intelligence, this hybrid approach not fully decentralized, but far more autonomous and responsive than previous systems. Teams at Tesla, Figure, and others are exploring their own multi-robot coordination strategies. Unitree has just shown a practical high-dynamic version working under real stage pressure. In 12 months, Unitree pushed these robots from fairly basic synchronized performance to much more agile, responsive machines that can handle dynamic group coordination. But let's step back and look at the big picture. Acrobatic flips and high-speed choreography make for incredible viral videos, and they certainly delivered during the 2026 Spring Festival Gala. Yet, they are also serving as real-world stress tests for more advanced capabilities. This rapid evolution raises a big question. Are we simply looking at the impressive entertainment technology, or have we just watched the foundation of a new industrial revolution being built in record time? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop your thoughts in the comments below. In the next video, we will step away from Unitree and explore other fascinating Chinese humanoid robot companies. If you appreciate objective teardown of the most advanced technologies being developed in China, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.